In this video, we're going to look at the Roland MX1 mixer. We're going to look how to program the Combi Master Effects. So we're going to be using a sequence that I have sequenced by the Deluge and triggering the Novation Circuit EMX1, JU06, and the Streichfett synth. On previous videos, I showed Combi and Shuffle that randomizes all the different Combi Master Effects tracks. You can change from Combi tracks by holding the Combi button and turning the tempo knob. You have up to 20 different tracks you can choose from. Each track that's MFX enabled is going to be sent through the Master Effects. We're going to listen to the sequence, and then we're going to turn on Combi and just turn the knob and see what it sounds like. Kind of cool. So let's say we want to clear this, hold down pan and press Combi. It clears everything. So what I'm going to do first, let's say we want to use filter. So we hold down filter, we turn it to the filter type that we want. If we want to just test it out, you can just have it on. Let's say we like that one, so that's filter 1. So we're going to go to Combi, hold down filter. Now we're just going to apply it wherever we want. So let's just apply it just to different steps up here. Now it's counting through them. We don't hear anything yet because the knob's in the middle, so we're going to turn it. And we're going to go back into Combi. We're going to hold down filter, change it to filter 6, and then we're just going to hold down what steps we want to apply it to. So you hear it, you can hear it changing. Go to filter 1, say, and add that. Now it's going to overwrite, so beat effects can only have it turned on one step. So depending where you turn this knob, what effects you can do, that's your result. So let's clear this, hold down pan, press Combi. It's completely cleared. Now let's change to delay. We're going to choose delay 5 because it does like a little pitch shift, so you'll hear it. So we're going to make it kind of subtle, just a little higher or something. Okay, so I have Combi on, hold down delay. Now we're going to apply that to certain steps here. Now there's another cool thing, which is the beat crush. If you hold this down and change to 5, that turns it into a tape stop. So it's like slow it down here, here, here. We'll turn it. So that's kind of fun. So let's actually use roll. We're going to make it roll 1. We're going to clear out this pattern, hold down roll. Let's just make a roll all the way through here, and we'll have it kind of high up on the knob. So let's say we have Combi off. We're just playing a track here. If I want it to play from where the current step is to the end and then just stop, in other words, a 1 hit, if I hold down tap and press Combi right here, that's going to play that. You can hear it. Only one time it does it, so right here, doesn't do it anymore until I enable it. So I can put in, let's say, a filter on it too, right here. Just add some strangeness. Let's do delay 6 and turn it in here. Now we turn it. Alright, let's say we just want it to play once. We're just going to wait and then tap Combi. Now it just played it that one time until the end of that pattern.